Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the sounds of vowel A. A is read as apple. Like today we are going to learn about the phonic drill like a, d, and no. You have written these words in your book. B at bat, d at dad, l at lad, m at mat, p at pat, k and can, f and fan, m and man, p and pan, v and van. Now today you are going to write the letters of ap and at words. K ap cap, g ap cap, l ap lap, m ap map, n ap nap, b at bat, f at fat, h at hat, m at mat, r at rat. Okay, so this I have given the work for you. For today, you are going to write CAP, cap, k ap cap. Then you are going to write g ap gap. Okay. Then you are going to write l ap lap. Then you are going to write m ap map. Then n ap nap. Okay, in this word, like this only, you will write b at bat, f at fat. Then you will write h at hat. Then you will write m at mat. Then r at rat. You all have to write the full page of this letters. Okay, I hope you will write it very neat and clean. The way I have written, you have to complete the whole page. Okay, bye bye students, have a nice time.